Hey everybody, Julie the Whippy Chick, and I am back with day 16 of my 31-day series of getting your yarn stash organized. I can't believe it's day 16 already. I mean, we're halfway through January. That's crazy, right? Okay, so day 16 is probably not my idea of what would look nice in my living room, but that's okay. This isn't about me and what would look good in my living room. This is about practical. This is a super, super practical idea. So we've got the pegboard all along the wall. It's like attached to the wall. And then you've got all of the pegs that hold all of the yarn cakes. Below that, you've got little cups on these pegs that hold the tools that you need. Your hooks, your scissors, row counters and stitch markers, things like that, like all of your little tools. And they're right next to the couch, which is, we all know, where the magic happens, right? So this is a super, super practical idea to keep all of your yarn stuff in one place. And I could really see this working very well for someone who makes a lot of crochet items for sale. You know, maybe you're selling on Etsy, maybe you're selling at craft fairs, maybe you do a lot of little projects for your church, you know, as giveaways or as rummage sale items, bake sale items, that sort of thing. I know that our church sells a lot of that kind of stuff at the rummage sale. So yeah, I think that if you are going to be mass producing a lot of crochet stuff, this is a fabulous, fabulous idea to keep yourself organized and comfortable. All right, everybody, let me know in the comments below what you think of this idea. Is this something that you would have in your house? Or maybe you already do have something like this in your house. I'd love to hear all about your different storage ideas. Until tomorrow, have a great, great day. Bye-bye.